In addition to the Gnome die set that we just came out with, we've got lots of other fun little gnome characters and stamps in clear and cling and wood. So let's take a look here, and you can see a couple of variations. So I cut out a whole bunch of these, and here on simple cards you can see how that works and can be quick and easy. But I thought it would be fun to carry on our theme here of some pop-up cards. So let's take a look here. So here with just our little winter scene background, you can see how we could combine any number of different little characters here. And that just gives them a different sense of scale of who's big and who's little. So let me just move some pieces around, and we'll fast forward it just so that you can see some possibilities. So I hope you'll be gnome for Christmas.